Hey, good morning, everybody. I just bought myself a brand new unit of car stereo. There's the Boss Elite. This model is the BE7ACP. Bought this at the Best Buy. This unit, it's relatively inexpensive, like 200 something at the time I purchased it. This can handle Apple Carplay and Android Audio. I do have an Android phone and Bluetooth. So, trying to get this installed and see what it looks like. In my car, I have the old unit. Now, I took it out already, and basically, this is what the unit looks like when it's out of the box. Wiring kit in the back. These audios and so many wires and wires and more wires, and looks like there's the either the Apple or the Android input. So also instruction manuals comes with the wiring kit for this unit. I also bought some of these harness items from eBay. Here's the antenna harness, and here's the harness kit for I have a Nissan Altima, so it's supposed to fit the Nissan Altima, hopefully. This is the steering wheel control, the universal steering wheel control unit. Without this, my steering wheel control probably will not work. This is the device. I don't know what these are. I'm gonna have a heck of a problem installing it. More wires and more wires. And some mounting units, mounting kits, and the dash kit to cover up the current dash. I still have the original stereo system in there, so I'm too lazy to install it myself, or I might not know what I'm doing, so I have somebody coming in to install this unit on there. I'll definitely check back after it's done. We'll see how good this is. This is my original, and I got a gentleman here coming to install my radio, so I don't screw it up myself. Alright, everything's connected. Look at that. You make this look so easy. It's coming on. There it is.
Look out Halloween by
in a dinner conversation.
God we see.
And just like that, it's all finished. Everything's all set, finished. It's a little dark right now, so I have a little light here. Just want to show this. I have it on. Now turn the car on. This thing's firing up. Took the guy just a little bit over an hour to install. He's so good with it. So there it is. I just need to do is set on my presets. So yeah, just need to set my presets. I'll turn this down before YouTube delete my music. So I got the Bluetooth connected, the Android Auto cable, the USB, and the Carplay USB is coming out of here. So far it's working. Everything else seems to be set. I am missing a couple of items. The steering wheel control is not working yet because the module that the guys sold me is not the right one. It's for the wrong year. So this installer guy is going to come back. He is pretty good. He is very good. Very cool guy. He's going to come back next week with the correct module. I'm just going to buy it from him rather than online, because I might not know what I'm getting. And as well as there is a bypass that I need for the Android, because when it starts up, otherwise if I don't have the bypass, it only needed for Android Auto. Is the bypass will let the phone connect to this thing. Otherwise it doesn't kick in. It's like a brick bypass or something. I'm not sure why it only for Apple. So you do need all these little gadgets. I bought this guy from I said Best Buy. Yeah, Best Buy, $200 something, which is not bad. Best Buy comes with free installation. However, you do have to buy all the module, like the harness and everything else. It's separately, and the harness itself will cost almost like $190 or something. And then there's the steering wheel module that I have to get from them. Even with the free installation, the price will come up to be roughly, I don't know, like $500. And then you have to get the dash kit, and they cannot even order the dash kit. That's why I just bought the radio. Otherwise I would have Best Buy install it already. So my total cost roughly, on and off, roughly, I said close to about $500, and I don't think you can get away with it. Rather, regardless of having Best Buy install it or have an outside guy install it, because your price is going to come out to be the same. Because Best Buy charge a lot more money for the harness and all that. I got these harness here for like $30 off of eBay. The only thing that the problem with eBay is you have to make sure you got the right year. I did told the guy that I have a 2013 Nissan Altima, but when he sold me the harness, he said yeah, it will work, but when the installer checked it online, it only works up to 2012. So bummer on that, but he will get the right stuff and come back and install it. So you do need all that module to get this install. Looks simple, but it's a little more complicated. I probably can do it, but it's probably going to take me like 2 days doing YouTube videos and everything else. So it's easier to have the guy get it done. So anyway, I'm done with this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, give me a like, and you can follow if you want. If you don't like it, that's okay. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Have a nice day. Happy Halloween.